This 10-digit number, you tap it 1,000 times a day, and underneath it, a single planet is hiding. For the number we are about to see, that planet is Ketu, and Ketu has its own story to tell. Here is the example: 900000007. 10 digits, lighting up one at a time. Now we pull them apart. Each digit detaches from the screen and drops onto the tape below. The first row will hold the full sum. Pythagorean method, just add them up. First row on the tape, 9 plus 7, 16. The zeros add nothing. But 16 is not final. We need a single digit. One more reduction. 16 has two digits, 1 and 6. Add them on the second row, 7. Now we have a single digit. This is the destiny digit, and every digit is bound to a planet. 7th planet, Ketu. Ketu is introspective, a seeker, the mind that thinks clearest alone. The owner of this number tires in crowds, comes alive in libraries, fits research, contemplation, the spiritual path. Cheiro says, 7 should avoid shallow social talk. Their reservoir is interior. K.N. adds, this is a signal, not a destiny. The natal chart stays primary. Try your own mobile number at Kundlit.com/mobile number numerology. Free. No sign up. Enter 10 digits, see your destiny digit and planet.